Electric vans are becoming increasingly common on Singapore's road, but standing out in this segment isn't easy. Long range, cargo space, practicality, and technology all matter, especially if your van is your business.
Today we are taking a closer look for the Farizon V7E, whether it's suitable for your next workhouse. If Farizon is new to you, here's something interesting. Farizon is #1 commercial vehicle brand in China with light to heavy duty commercial vehicle across multiple industries. The V7E is designed for SME, contractors, and logistic company. Let's find out. One thing I like straight away is how practical this van is.
You get dual sliding doors, making it easy to load from either side, while the rear barn doors open wide to provide excellent access for larger items, whether you are loading cutters, equipment, or pallets.
The cargo space is obviously biggest priorities for commercial van. The V7E offers 6.95 cubic meters cargo space, and it can even fit 3-meter ladder suitable for contractors and electricians.
Stepping inside, the cabin feels modern and comfortable with a clean dashboard layout and plenty of storage.
Technology is another area where the V7E stand out.
It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of ADAS, helping to make long hours behind the wheel safer and less tiring. Features like lane keep assistant, collision mitigation technologies, and ADAS intelligent safety system provide additional confidence whether you are driving through city traffic or cruising on the expressway. For the fleet operator, there's another protection for both drivers and vehicles. Out on the road, the V7E is quiet, smooth, and easy to drive. One standout feature is intelligent steering assist. When making tight turns, the system intelligent applies light braking to the rear wheel, effectively reducing the turning radius. That means maneuvering through narrow industrial estates, loading bay, or multi-story car parks become noticeable easier.
The V7E offers 474 kilometers of WLTP range, which is more than enough for business operating around Singapore.
When it times to recharge, DC fast charging takes the battery from 20 to 80% in just 25 minutes. You also get V2L, allowing the van to power tools, work lights, or other equipment directly from the vehicle. Overall, the Farizon V7E offers a strong combination of long range, generous cargo space, practical features, and modern technology.
If you are considering to make the switch to an electrical commercial vehicle van, it's definitely one worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to know more about Farizon V7E, feel free to contact us.